So you might be in a situation where for some reason your JBL speakers are just not turning on. Now this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing I'd recommend doing here though is making sure that your JBL headphones are fully charged up, or your speakers. Make sure your speakers are fully charged up, because if they're not, well, that's going to be kind of the main way to go and fix this problem. You're going to have to go through and make sure these things are charged up before continuing on. So go through, bring up this flap on the side or whatever the JBL speakers are. Go ahead and plug these things in, and all you're going to want to do is make sure that these particular speakers are fully plugged in and they're charged up. That can very well be the very first thing I'd recommend kind of thinking about there, because what's going to happen there is if these things are dying or if they're almost dead, that's probably going to be one of the bigger issues that you might run into here. So try fixing and adjusting that, because that very well could end up being one of the main problems that you might run into here as well. So try doing that. You want to make sure that doesn't end up, kind of causing some problems. Now, if that's not the problem, you might want to go through and make sure your power button isn't messed up. If you have the capability of doing so, click and hold down that power button one more time and see if your speakers turn on. Sometimes your speaker may just turn on just right when you do it. So that could be another thing you might want to try doing, is just to really press and hold down on that power button and to power it down or power it on. And then when you're ready, you could just power it off by clicking it up. And if it works, then that might be good. You may have to press down a little bit harder inside of the speakers. So those are just a few different ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solden.